Welcome back to another rip of 605 sports cards. Going to be giving another shot at the 2022 PRIZM cards here. They had a restock at Target finally, and this is the first time I've seen it in the stores. So grabbed a few boxes. Now we're all familiar with this product now. It's been being ripped everywhere, and hopefully you've had a chance to get your hands on some and try your luck. They are, I'd say, fairly easy to get your money back if you're looking for that, or if you're just looking for cool cards to collect. They do have a lot of color in them, so they make a good collector, or if you're looking to resell some stuff and keep what you like. Got our 6 packs. Like I said, these are the Target blasters, so you'll be getting the greens. The Walmart here doesn't really stock cards, at least not that I've seen. They kind of have a little tiny area behind where you get your cigarettes and stuff, so they don't seem to really stock much. So I have not had a chance to get the red, white, and blue parallels, and missed out on the Fanatics deal, so not real excited to spend $50 for a blaster box. So we'll see what those do with price if I get my hands on some, because I do like those orange ice ones. But let's get started on these Target blasters with our base cards: Christian Kirk, Jalen Hurts, a Nick Bonito for our first green cards, and George Pickens rookies. So 2 nice rookie cards there. Hopefully we get to see Kenny Pickett and George Pickens play together a little more this year. Pickett does get the go-ahead to be the starter. And we got KJ Osborne, Chris Johnson, Jim Kelly. No rookie on our light blue, but a Jeffrey Simmons. And we'll get one of those per box. I'd really like to find one of those checkerboards, or even more of those short color ones like the Reds. A Justin Herbert, TJ Watt. And our next green is Trayvon Diggs and Boy Mayfield rookie. Here we go. Shannon Sharp. And we do have a red here, so we'll save that. It seems like these colors always come with a mem card or something too. So we have a rookie Montrell Washington on the green. Let's start with our... Ooh, it is a rookie Bailey Zappi. So very nice. Let's see how we can do this. We'll flip it back over, I suppose. So we have the Bailey Zappi, kind of silver there on the mem card. So that's cool. We'll put a sleeve on them real quick. If we get it without having to cut it. Some of them go easy, some don't. There we go. So there's a nice quarterback at least. And we'll get a look at our red here. So, Shane Sharp. It is not a rookie. So we have Tyler Higbee. I pull a lot of Rams cards. It is insane how many Rams cards I pull. So there's a nice, I think they're, I don't know if they're super short prints or just short prints. It's kind of up in the air. Some people say they're super short prints, and there might be 20, 25 of them, or could be more. It's a guessing game, but they are fairly hard to come by, and to come by a big name player seems to be even harder. So maybe they made a lot of red cards, but every player got one, so it might not be easy to find the ones you're after. So Jameis Winston, we got 5 cards in this pack. I don't think we had any with 3. Ryan Tannehill on the green. And that is my first hype card. And is a Amon-Ra Street Brown, St. Brown, not Street. And Tyler Aguilar for a rookie. So cool looking insert. And that's the first one I've opened. This one might be feels a little short, so this might be our 3 card pack. They always make up for it. They give you 1 extra in 1 pack, and they'll be sure to get it back. Jalen Ramsey. Like I said, we pull a lot of Rams. I did have one of his Genesises that I'd sold already at the Mosaic. So here's our silver. Unfortunately, not a rookie. It is a Mike Evans. So can't complain there. He's a great receiver. Throw a sleeve on him. And blaster 1 down. Not too bad with the super short print or short print. And a nice men card of rookie quarterback Bailey Zappi. This quarterback class has potential. Not very many big names besides Kenny Pickett, and obviously now people are chasing Brock Purdy. But with Desmond Ridder and a lot of other quarterbacks, Zappi, Willis, you just have a lot of opportunities for them to, even if they get traded or move to a different team, opportunity to play quarterback somewhere in the future. Nelson Aguilar, and not a rookie, but a Rashad Penny on the blue. That would be our one light blue. And I believe you can get like a darker or true blue for a short print to go with that red, which I do really like those blues. So second year Micah Parsons, Adam Thielen, another non-rookie, but Dante Hall, and Wan'Dale Robinson rookie. I do like the variety of color you get out of these prisms. All right, Baker Mayfield, Alex Smith, Jarvis Landry, and we have a rookie line spray of Aiden Hutchinson there for a green. He had a nice rookie season. Imagine he'll only get better. As long as they stay healthy, it's always the hard part. DeAndre Swift, A.J. Dillon. Our green is a Steeler, but not a rookie. Alex Highsmith. And Trent McDuffie will be our rookie card on the back. 2 more packs to go. Looks like we're going to have a Fireworks Tom Brady on the back. Spoiler. Dick Buttkiss. Almost looks like a cartoon character there with that shot. Another Tyler Higbee to go with our red. And our silver is a rookie, Damian Pierce, who has a chance to have a little bigger year this year. Like I said, the Fireworks Tom Brady. Never upset with the Tom Brady card. Sleeve up our silver rookie. You just never know when could break out to be a stud. So protect those rookie cards, especially in the colors. All right. Carol Patterson, Matt Ryan. We have a rookie green. Bia Pacheco. I have not had one yet. Now, Brian Cook on the green, and a George Pickens on the back there. Final blaster for now. Sure, I'll be picking up Prism whenever I see it, or get a wild hair just to order more. Which makes it also harder to order those Walmart ones since they're a little pricier. And I haven't seen anybody else have any better luck out of them besides if you want those red, white, and blue parallels. So if I do come across the Fanatics ones for, I think they were $29.99, just like Target blasters, for that price, I will grab them because I do want some of those orange parallels. Cole Kmet, Tyreek Hill, another Tom Brady base, and a Carson Wentz on the blue. It's hard to believe the draft is already this month. I feel like a lot of these 2022 products came out so late that we It seems early to be starting the 2023 stuff here soon when they do their drafts. J.K. Dobbins on the green. And Fedarian Mathis, rookie. See his rookies a lot out of Prism. Some feels a little fatter, so might have another mem. I've pulled a lot of mems out of these. And being not advertised that they're, you know, every so often. No red with it this time, though. Sean Watson, Quinnen Williams, Jonathan Taylor, maybe? No, Jalen Tolbert. I don't think these are all rookies, apparently, on these mem cards. And a Jeremy Ruckert rookie on the back for the green. Let's leave both these guys up. It's a big year for a rookie for the Jets to just have so many of them that had a good season. And if they get Aaron Rodgers there for sure, they could have a little better season maybe next year and bring their value up. Marlon Humphrey. Next green, no rookie, no Jets, Quinnen Williams, and Ty Chandler, rookie card. Last two packs. I appreciate everybody that's stuck around this long to watch the video. It was a little longer. Rich Gannon, not a rookie, unfortunately. Fletcher Cox on the silver. Not too exciting there. And a Jahan Dotson, rookie on the new recruits. Final pack. So if you stuck around this long, we're about 12 minutes in. Go ahead and appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Like the video. Feel free to comment. I try to respond to just about everybody if I get the chance. And I appreciate everybody that's been watching, commenting. Channel's really been growing these last couple of weeks. I appreciate everybody watching the videos. And there's a nice James Cook green. And our final card will be a rookie of Sam Howell, who's another quarterback in that draft class that you never know, might get a shot. So nice James Cook. And Sam Howell rookie. Take a look here of kind of our better cards out of this. Mostly rookies. Rookies are really chasing the Prism. Besides those super short prints. So Sam Howell. Nice James Cook green. Jeremy Ruckert green. And Jalen Tolbert on the silver mem card. Damian Pierce on the silver. Still haven't got any variations. You see those negatives, kind of black and white. I have not hit one yet, but a lot of people do. There's a nice Aiden Hutchinson green. Mike Evans silver. And there is our one red Tyler Higbee. I wish they kind of numbered those so you had an idea what they're out of, but no numbered in the retail. And our rookie quarterback Bailey Zappi. Those are our bigger hits. Take a look at some of the color here that we've also got. Get a good variety. So you get your silvers, a lot of greens, and the blues. And that is our veterans. And they get a decent amount of rookie cards out of these blaster boxes. So that was 3, and see, you get a decent color, a lot of base. So overall, I really like Prism. Try to rip some more on the channel. Thanks everybody for sticking around, watching. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.